Sari Stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a beautiful collection of Kanjivaram silk sarees. We have some very traditional colors and designs, and we have some Kanjivarams in contemporary designs. So let's get started with this lovely collection. We begin with a grand bridal Kanjivaram silk saree, the lovely shade of pink. This is a gorgeous Rani pink Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari has Vairavusi kind of lines, but here the lines run along the width of the sari, unlike the Vairavusi traditional ones where the lines run along the length. So you can see the zari lines running all over the width of the sari. The borders are beautiful with zari motifs of Bangi, Banaras and diamond kind of motifs. There is a lovely short green selvage and this provides a beautiful look to the sari. The pallu of the sari is grand and it has zari motifs of yana, that is elephants, pakshis and diamond motifs in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful short green blouse or a gold tissue blouse. You can accessorize this sari with diamond or gold jewelry for a perfect festive look. This stunning Kanjivaram silk sari is perfect for bridal wear and other special occasions. If you love threadwork Kanjivaram silk saris, then you'll surely be delighted by this beautiful, unique colored Kanjivaram. This is a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari in a very rare and unusual shade of deep teal. The body of the sari has threadwork floral buttas and the borders are floral and creeper kind of motifs in thread. The pallu of the sari has similar motifs as the borders and it has a band of pink which is similar to the selvage of the sari. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful pink blouse and you can accessorize this sari with beaded jewelry or traditional gold jewelry. This sari is one of my personal favorites because this color is very rare and unusual in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have for you an yet to call Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is again in a very rare, unusual shade. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very rare, unusual shade. It is similar to that of cocoa powder, you can say. And the borders have temple borders and the borders are woven in the Yettukol weaving method. The beautiful pallu of the sari has Sipireku and Tharambureku in zari. Again, the pallu is woven using the Yettukol weaving technique. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful gold tissue blouse. Traditional gold or diamond jewelry will look fabulous with this sari. The color of the sari is absolutely beautiful and unique, hard to come by, and so you're sure to stand out in a crowd when you drape this sari. We have for you a Mubbagam Kanjivaram silk sari in a beautiful, vibrant combination. This is a Mubbagam Kanjivaram silk sari. The middle portion of the sari is in a lovely lavender color with stripes running along the length of the sari, and there are golden zari buttas on the body of the sari. The upper portion of the sari is in green and the lower portion of the sari is in a deep, rich purple. The pallu of the sari is absolutely unique and beautiful. It is in a rich, deep purple. There are versatile motifs in zari. There are also circular and oval motifs in zari. The sari has a beautiful deep purple blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize it with traditional gold or silver jewelry or beaded jewelry. The color combination in this Mubbagam is absolutely beautiful. The pallu is also very different and very unique, making this a must-have in your wardrobes. We have for you a Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual and rare short color. This Kanjivaram is in a very rare and unusual shade. This is a Simha color, which is a mix of rust and mustard. It's a short color. The body of the sari has zari grids and there are Gudara, that is horse, and Gandaberunda motifs in zari all over the body. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a narrow zari stripe along the edges. The pallu of the sari is also very unique. It is in a lovely Mayil Kazhuthu, that is the color of the peacock's neck, and there are beautiful zari motifs of Yali, Pakshis, Gudara, that is horses, and Araimadam motifs along with paisleys on this pallu. The sari has a beautiful Mayil Kazhuthu blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this sari with beautiful diamond or gold jewelry. This combination of Simha color and Mayil Kazhuthu is absolutely unique. So if you're looking for unique exclusive saris, then this one is for you. A simple yet classic and unusual sari. This one is in a combination of pink and mustard. The body of the sari is in a very pretty pastel pink and there is a zari stripe along the edges. What makes this simple sari beautiful and unique is the pallu in mustard color, which has zari katam or checks. The sari has a mustard blouse fabric with zari katam, similar to the pallu of the sari, but you can pair this sari with many contrast blouses such as an ajrak blouse or an ikat blouse. You can accessorize this sari with beaded jewelry, silver jewelry or gold jewelry depending on the occasion. So this is a very versatile sari fit for all kinds of occasions. The unique color combination of pink and mustard and the versatility of this sari makes this a very attractive sari. If you're looking for a festive Kanjivaram to drape this wedding season, then this red Kanjivaram is just perfect for you. The body of the sari is in a beautiful deep red arakku and there are kattans or checks all over the body of the sari. The borders have zari kuilkand motifs and there is a lovely short green selvage which elevates the beauty of the sari. The pallu of the sari has zari bands and lines. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful deep bottle green blouse or a mustard colored blouse. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold jewelry. This is a very festive sari, simple yet elegant, and it is perfect for all special occasions this season. I love aqua shades, and this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in aqua blue with green is an absolutely beautiful one. The body of the sari is in a beautiful deep turquoise, and there are zari buttas all over the body of the sari. There is a lovely short green selvage and a zari stripe along the edges. The short sea green pallu of the sari has seepareke in zari. The sari has a short sea green blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a nice ruby or kemp etiquette. Both the colors in the sari are aqua shades, and when two aqua shades come together, the effect is absolutely mesmerizing and soothing. Our collection of Kanjivaram silk saris are just perfect for this wedding season. To shop for our beautiful collection of Kanjivarams, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and